So guys, welcome back. This is second part of paper 2 sample paper of checkpoint year 9. So in this video we will do questions from number 13 to till end, whatever we have. So I hope you guys are getting benefit from my videos. I try my best to make you guys understand each and every question. So please, kind request, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friend, and if you like the video, please press the like button and also write your comments. That will be really helpful as a feedback. So let's start. Question number 13. The table shows the prices of two laptops, laptop A and laptop B. The price of laptop A increases by 12%, the price of laptop B decreases by 5%. Tick to show which laptop is more expensive after these changes. So we have two laptops here, laptop A and laptop B, right? So for laptop A, the price is increased by 12%. So the new price is going to be 112%. New price of laptop A is 112% of 650. So as this is 12% increase, so we took it as 100 plus 12. So that is going to make it 112%, right? So 112 over 100 times 650. Just use calculator directly. So you are going to get here 728. And similarly for laptop B, as the price is decreasing by 5%, so we will minus 5 from 100, that is 95%. So 95% of 760. So once you calculate this, this comes out to be similarly 95 over 100 times 760. So that is 722, right? So as you can see, our new price for B is 722, this is 728. So which one is more expensive? It's laptop A, more expensive. Okay, so now next question, let's see what do we have. Question 14, we have here the nth term of the sequence is, let's say Tn is n squared plus A, and the sixth term of the sequence, that is T6, n is 6 squared plus A, and this is equal to 29. Find the sum of first four terms. So to find out the first four term, we need to have A. We can calculate A from here. This is 36 plus A equals to 29. So A is 29 minus 36, that is negative 7. So A is negative 7. So then we can use the formula to find out. T1 is n squared plus A. So then T1 will it will become n square minus 7. So Tn is n squared minus 7, right? So now we can find out first term, that is 1 square minus 7, it is negative 6, and T2 is going to be 2 squared minus 7, that is 4, 4 minus 7, it's negative 3, and T3 is 3 squared minus 7, that is 9 minus 7 is 2, and T4 is 4 squared minus 7, 16 minus 7 is 9. So now we are looking for the sum. So for the sum, we are going to add the positive numbers, 2 plus 9, 11, 6, this is negative 9. So then we will add this. So this is going to be 2. So final answer is 2, right? Number 15, make T the subject of the formula. So we have T here. So I am rewriting this, 2T over 5 minus 1. Now shift 1 to other side. So this is W plus 1 equals to 2T over 5. So that means 2T is going to be W plus 1 into 5 times 5. Just cross multiply this one here. So 2T is equal to 5W plus 5. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This is gone. So T is 5W plus 5 over 2. So that's gonna be the final answer. 5w plus 5 over 2. You can leave your answer here also, dividing by 4 in that way. This is also correct. Okay. Now number 16 we have 4y into 5 minus 9y plus 6y minus 1 simplifies to 14y. You see, these kind of questions actually you should be happy whenever it's show that, so you have answer there. So when you solve this, your answer should be this one. So let's do one by one. Step here. 4y will be multiplied to inside both numbers. 4 times 5 is 20 y, then there is a negative signs. 9 times 4 36 y squared, then plus 6 times 6 36 y squared again, minus 6y. 36 and 36 is gone, so 12 minus 16 it is 14y, right? So that is the answer that we need to prove. So you can write down hence proved. Okay. Now number 17. Let me search the question. So number 17 is here. We have a kite here in this shape A, B, C, D. E is point on CD. There is some point on E. Calculate the value of x. So we are looking for the value of x, right? So for this one, let's see how we can do that. So this is a kite. So in this we have this angle is going to be ABC and ABD. This angle and this angle is going to be equal, right? So this is the property. So for that, if you see, this is a kite, sum of all the angles is 360. So let's say this angle, I'm writing here angle ABC plus angle ADC plus 78 plus 38 is equal to 360. So these two angles are equal. Let's say I'm writing it as a y, so this will also be y. So y plus then 78 plus 38, 78 plus 38, this is 116 equals to 360. So 2y equals to 360 minus 116. This is 244. Okay. Then divide by 2, divide by 2. So y is going to be 122, right? So this angle is 122. Okay. So if this angle is 122, we have this value here. So this is 90, right? So if this is 90, this is also 90. So then we can just use this quadrilateral to find out the angle. So meaning 78 in ABED quadrilateral. 78 plus this one is 122 plus 90 plus x is 360, right? So x plus, let's add them together. So this is 78 plus 122 plus 90, which is 290 equals to 360. So x is 70 degrees. So we got the value of x as 70 degrees, right? So that was number 17. So let's see what is the next question here, number 18. Okay, number 18 we have here, Rajiv sells balloons that are colored either red, green or blue. So we have different colors, red, green and blue. Red, green, blue and yellow. So we have 4 columns here. A customer is given a balloon at random. We have some conditions here. Calculate the probability that balloon is yellow. So we are just looking for the probability of yellow. So for that we should have something here. 25% of the balloons are red. 25%. So 25% meaning 25 over 100, that is 0.25. That's the probability of the red one. So we will write down here 0.25, right? Then the probability that the customer is given green balloon is this. Green is we are given 0.05. These two conditions are done. Then the customer is twice as likely to be given blue balloons as green. So blue and green, he said it's twice as likely to be blue than green. So this is going to be twice of this. Twice of this is times 2. So 0.05 times 2, 0.05 times 2, it is 0.1, right? So now we are left with this. So sum of the probability is always 1. So 0.25, 0.05, 0.1. So we are going to calculate this one. 0.25 plus 0.05 plus 0.1. So this is 0.4, right? So probability of yellow is going to be 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. So this is 0.6. So final answer we are just going to write down of the yellow. Okay, so that's it. Now the next one we have a bag A contains 56 counters. The counters in bag A are shared between Angelique and Hassan in the ratio 3:5. Bag B also contains some counter. The counters in bag B are shared between Angelique and Hassan in the ratio 4:3. In total, Angelique receives 45 counters. Find the number of counters in bag B. So you need to be careful while doing these kind of questions because there is lot of information provided. So you need to see which one should be like appropriate to do your working. So we have here we have two bags, right? We have bag A and we have bag B. So I'm going to split this space into two parts. So for bag A we have the counter bag A that receives Angelique. I'm just writing A for A and G for Angelique and Hassan. They receive in ratio 3:5. So let's say this is 3x, this is 5x. Okay. Now what else is given? This is the counter the counters in bag A are shared between Angelique and Hassan in ratio 3:5. So bag B also contains some containers. Bag B, it is shared between again Angelique and Hassan. So this is another counter, so I will denote this by y. So this is 4y ratio 3y. Okay, so now this and this is done. Now in total Angelique receives 45 counters. Bag A, we have some information here is also bag A contains 56. So that means total of these two, 3x plus 5x is 56. This is 8x equals to 56. So x is 8 times 7. So we got x 7. So here Angelique got how many? Angelique from bag A is 3x, right? 3 times 7. That means 21. He got 21 counters from bag A. Now we have in total, in this one Angelique receives 4y here in total. So here he receives from bag B 4y and plus 21 from bag A. In total they are 45, right? So 4y equals to 45 minus 11, that is 24, and y is equal to 24 by 4, it is 6. So value of y is now 6. Okay, so the question is find the number of counters in total in bag B. So total in bag B, total counters in bag B, that is 4y plus 3y, which is 7y. Okay, so 7y, 7 times 6 is 7 times y is 6, it is 42. So final answer is finally 42, right? So that's number 19. Next we have number 20 here. The table shows give some information about the distances jumped by a group of boys and group of girls. So we have boys here, girls here, mean is given, range is given. Mia writes these comparisons in the distance jumped by boys and girls. The boys have larger mean than girls. Boys have larger mean than girls, right? That's correct. The boys have larger range than girls. Okay. Then Mia's teacher tells her that her comparison would be better if she wrote them in contest. Write improved comparison of distances jumped by boys and girls. So correct one can be like the boys jumped further. We can write down the boys jumped further. Okay, so that's why their mean is more. And the other one, the distance jumped by boys, the distance jumped by boys were more, or you can say were less consistent, because range for boys is more than girls, so there is no consistency, right? Now number 21, Gabriela is a music teacher and she wants to know if children in her class like music. She asks sample of children from school orchestra if they like music. Explain why data collects is likely to be biased. Because she only asked the music students, right? So we can write down she should also ask children not in the orchestra, those who are not in orchestra. So that means just asking one kind of people is not enough, right? So that is number 21. So now let's see what do we have next. 22. So this is the last question of this paper. We have a diagram here. The diagram shows a rectangle ABCD. E is midpoint of AB. So EF is 12.5. EF, this one is 12.5. Calculate the shaded area. So we are looking for the shaded area. So to find out shaded area, we can find out the area of this whole rectangle minus area of the triangle. So area of shaded part is equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle. Which triangle? Triangle AFE, right? So area of this is easy. The rectangle one is 24 times 18. 24 times 18 is 432, okay, centimeter squared. Minus we need to have area of triangle AEF. AEF triangle, we have base times height, but we don't know what is the base. So this one is midpoint, E is midpoint, so this one is 12, right, centimeters. So to find out EF, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have EF square will be equals to AF square plus AE squared, right? EF is 12.5 squared equals to AF squared plus AE is 12 squared. So this one is 156.25 minus, I'll bring this here, 144 equals to AF square. So from here we have AF is equal to square root of 12.25, which comes out to be 3.5 centimeters, right? So that gives us the value of AF, right? So we are going to use this to calculate the area. So half times base. Base is now AF, which we have calculated 3.5 into height, which is 12. So 2 times 6. So this is 3.5 times 6. So once you calculate this, this comes out to be 411. So final answer is 411. So that's it for this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys. See you in the next video.